If you want to completely rebuild your flexibility and full mobility over 40, you are in the right place. Welcome to Yoga After 40. My name is Paola and I started yoga at 41. I've been teaching for over 10 years and at 52, this 20-minute daily flow is exactly what I do to keep my body moving like I'm 30 years old again. So if you're ready, let's begin. Today we're gonna start in puppy pose. So coming to the back of the mat, keeping the knees, shoulders distance apart. We're gonna start bringing the hands forward, melting the chest towards the ground. If you want to feel the stretch on the shoulders, maybe you come high on the fingertips. Keep sending the hips all the way up, keeping the hips stacked over the knees. So deep breath in, deep breath out. Taking 2 more breaths. So now come to a tabletop, taking the shoulders over the wrist and the hips over the knees. We're gonna take the left hand a few inches to the right, and we're gonna take the right arm all the way up. Looking at the right fingertips, rolling that right shoulder back. Deep breath in. Exhale, take the right arm under the left arm, thread the needle. So we're taking a twist, right shoulder and right side of the face is on the mat. Maybe you keep your left hand to find your balance, or you can take your left arm and reach it towards the front of the mat. You can stay here. Maybe you take the left arm around the back to grab your right inner thigh for a bind. Another option is to take your left leg back, so your left leg goes straight back. So now you're resting on the right knee. Again, option to stay or play by taking the left leg all the way up to the sky. You can bend the knee, and with the left hand we grab the foot and we kick into the hand. Again, this is all optional. Maybe you pick up the right foot off the mat, balancing on the right knee. Engage your core to keep that balance. And then slowly with control, we're gonna start coming all the way down. Left hand goes back to the mat. Reach the right arm all the way up to the sky. And now bring it down. We're gonna do the other side by stepping the right hand a few inches to the left and sweeping the left arm all the way up. Look at the left fingertips. Maybe roll the left shoulder back. Inhale. Exhale, thread the needle. How are we doing? So either stay, keeping the right hand grounded on the mat to find balance. Maybe reaching the right arm forward, stretching the right shoulder. Again, stay or play. Right hand goes around the back. Grab your left inner thigh. Maybe take your right leg back. Maybe you take it up. Bend the knee, grab the foot, do whatever feels good. Just do you. Whatever you're doing, just make sure that you stay connected to your breath. We're gonna start coming down. Right hand goes back to the mat. Reach the left arm all the way up to the sky. Beautiful. And now we bring it down. From here, we're gonna take some cat-cows. So again, shoulders over the wrist, hips over the knees. We're gonna drop belly. Slightly look up, shoulders away from the ears. Inhale. On your exhale, round the spine, chin to chest, navel in. Inhale. Exhale, round. Inhale, come up. Exhale, cat. We're lubricating each vertebrae. Do it at your own pace. Make sure that you connect your breath and your movements. Now come back to center. We're gonna bring the knees a little closer together and we're gonna take the right leg up. Either flex or point your toes. Reach your left arm forward, coming into your bird pose. Now take your left hand to the mat, pivot your left foot out, and sweep your right arm up. Either flex or point your right toes. You can bend the knee with the right hand. We grab the foot, we kick it to the hand, gaze up. Release. From here you can stay. Maybe you take the right foot to the mat and you stay there. Or you can take your left leg back, coming into a side plank. Now we're gonna take the left knee back. Right hand goes back to the mat. Pivot your left foot back. Right knee comes back to your tabletop. Bring the knees a little closer together. Take your left leg up. Right arm reaches forward. Keep pressing the ground away. Inhale. Exhale, round. Knee to elbow. Inhale, come up. Exhale, round. Inhale. Exhale, knee to elbow. Inhale up. Exhale, round. Inhale, come up. One more. Exhale, round. Come back into your bird pose. Right hand goes to the mat. Pivot your right foot out. Left arm reaches up. Either flex or point your left toes. Bend the knee. Grab the foot. Kick into your hand. Gaze up. Release. How are we doing? Take your left foot to the mat. Stay here. Or take your right leg back, coming into a high side plank. Building strength in here. Bring the right knee back to the mat. Left hand and left knee back to your tabletop. Beautiful job. So now we're gonna bring the knees a little closer together. We're gonna take the right leg up. Inhale, exhale, round the spine, knee to nose. Step your right foot in between your hands, coming into a low lunge. This is one of my favorite poses. Stacking the right knee over the right heel, sending the hips forward and up. Stretching your psoas. Lengthening the spine. Now reach the arms all the way up. Reaching the arms forward. Left hand goes to the inside of the right foot. Right arm reaches up. Now we're gonna tuck the toes of the left foot and we're gonna come up. Looking at the right fingertips. Come all the way up, looking at the right side of the mat, stretching the arms in opposite direction. Taking a twist. Right hand goes to the left leg, and we reach the left arm back and up. Cartwheel the arms to the inside of the right leg. Lizard lunge. From here, we're gonna pivot the body to face the left side of the mat. Right toes are facing the top left corner of the mat, coming into your skandasana, low side lunge. Either taking the hands to prayer, maybe you sit on a block, maybe you take your hands to the mat. Do whatever feels good. Remember, this is your practice. If you have it in you, you can bring the hips to the mat. With the left hand, we grab the right leg, and maybe we start folding over the left leg. Maybe you grab the foot with your right hand. So wherever you are, slowly release. Come back to your skandasana. Pivot the body to frame the right leg. Bring the left knee to the mat. Step your right leg back. Beautiful job. We connect to our breath. We take the left leg up. Engage your core, your glutes. Inhale around the spine. Press the mat away, creating space in here to step the left foot through. Low lunge. Left knee step over the left heel. Lengthening the spine. Reaching the arms all the way to the sky. Now reach the arms forward. Right hand goes to the inside of the left foot. Sweep your left arm up. Now from here, we're gonna tuck the toes of the left foot and we're gonna come up. Now come all the way up, stretching the arms in opposite directions. Left hand to the right leg. Right arm reaches back and up. Cartwheel both hands to the inside of the left leg. Maybe you move the left foot a little bit to the left side. Lizard lunge. Now we're gonna start moving towards the right side. Left foot is facing the top right corner of the mat. Skandasana, low side lunge. Hands to prayer, hands to the mat, hands to a block. Stay connected to your breath. Maybe bring the hips to the mat. Right hand grabs the left leg. Left arm reaches all the way up to grab the right leg if it's available. Side stretch. Slowly come back to your low side lunge. Framing the left leg, we pivot the body to face forward. Right knee goes to the mat. We take the left leg back. I can't talk anymore. Coming back to your tabletop. Beautiful. So now we're gonna lay flat on the mat and we're gonna bring the knees to the chest. Giving ourselves a hug, rocking side to side. Figure 4 on the right side. Take the right foot to the left knee. Maybe you grab the left knee with your left hand. Maybe you grab behind the leg. Thread the needle, taking the right hand under the right leg, interlacing both hands at the left knee. Relaxing the upper body. Breathing into the right hip. Maybe pulling the left knee a little closer to the chest. Feeling the stretch on the right hip. Maybe the right hip screaming by now. You can take your left leg all the way up if you want to stretch your left hamstring, and now start walking both hands as far up as you can. Maybe you grab a yogi strap, a belt, a small towel, wrap it around your heel or your big toe. Keep pulling the leg a little closer to the chest. So we're opening the the right hip and the left, and we're stretching the left hamstring. Taking one more full inhale and a full exhale here. Now go ahead and release. And we're gonna do the other side. So take your left foot to the right knee. Thread the needle, left hand under the left leg, right hand goes to the outside of the right knee, interlacing both hands, relaxing the upper body, stretching the left hip. Now take your right leg all the way up and start walking both hands as far up as you can, so we can stretch the right hamstring. And I'm gonna attach the link right here for you guys to check it out, and on the description below if you want to try Forever Vital. It is my own supplement line, Forever Strong. And Forever Vital is a 3-in-1 whey protein, collagen, and colostrum. It's going to help you with your joints, building muscle. It's going to help you with vitality because it's a 3-in-1 whey protein, collagen, and colostrum. So your whey protein is going to help you with muscle. It's going to help you with recovery. And your collagen is going to help you with your skin. It's going to help you with your joints, your nails. And the colostrum helps you with vitality and gut health. So there's so much to offer. I would appreciate if you support me by trying Forever Vital. Again, I'm gonna leave your description down below, and I'm gonna attach it right here for you to check it out. And you're gonna thank me later. And I will appreciate if you support me instead of supporting the big brands. Plus, you won't find anything like it because there's no other whey protein that offers collagen and colostrum in one scoop. So slowly go ahead and release. We're gonna take both feet to the mat width apart, arms by the side, and now windshield the legs in and out. And now when you're ready, bring the sole of the feet together, drop the knees to the side, coming into your Supta Baddha Konasana, your butterfly, reclined butterfly. And now take your left hand to your heart and your right hand to the belly. Let the armpits breathe. Just relax the whole body in here. You have made it. And I will suggest that you come back to this class whenever you have a chance, whether it's in the morning, the afternoon, or right before you go to bed. You're gonna be stretching the whole body. And I promise you, it's just consistency. That's all it takes. I'm more flexible now than I was when I was in my 30s. Starting yoga at 41 taught me that our bodies are resilient, our minds. There's no age for you to start feeling good. There's no age limit. We can feel good in our own bodies at any age. I'm a living proof of that. And that's exactly what I want for you.